Hey, what's going on guys? It is Street Crypto here, back for another video. In today's video I want to talk about Decentraland and its native token of Mana. So Decentraland, or Mana, is currently sitting at $3.57, seeing around about 11% increase in the last 24 hours, hitting a high of $3.80 in that time. And it's currently sitting at a market cap of 6.5 billion. Now Mana, looking at the all-time charts, we can see that Mana actually had a massive rally, and I'll get more into the reasoning behind that in a little bit. But essentially, if you don't know what Decentraland is, Decentraland defines itself as a virtual reality platform powered by the Ethereum blockchain and allows users to create, experience, and monetize content and applications. So it's essentially a VR game slash metaverse game in which you can buy land, you can buy cosmetics, you can buy a bunch of different things. It's kind of like real life, but in a game. And it's seen a lot of traction recently because of Facebook's rebranding to Meta, and a lot of metaverse cryptos have done really well, and Mana was at the forefront of this boom. But quickly, I'm just going to get into some things that have been going on in the Mana world. So recently, Kraken Exchange has just tweeted that there was a metaverse festival in Decentraland. Now, this was a partnership between Metaverse Festival and Kraken, but essentially this was on Decentraland website. But welcome to the Metaverse Festival. It was a 4-day celebration of music, culture, and creativity in the virtual social world of Decentraland. So this was like a real life festival, but in Decentraland, and now that is really cool because it's starting to show that Decentraland's platform and utilization is growing, especially as Kraken and a lot of different companies and there was a lineup even coming in where they had a schedule of multiple different celebrities and DJs, and it's just a really cool experience. And it's good to see that Decentraland's ecosystem is growing rapidly, especially with these live in-game events. Now, the next thing I want to mention is the play-to-earn movement that Decentraland is launching. So essentially, if you have an idea for your own play-to-earn game, check out the incubator and get funded. So Decentraland have launched a play-to-earn incubator. Now, what does that mean? Well, essentially, play-to-earn, such success, etc. But Decentraland are seeking the next generation of gaming talent, and the Decentraland Foundation will be scouting for and accepting applications from a maximum of 3 teams. So essentially, what you get is in return is Mana and land. So this is a good sign because it shows that Decentraland is not only branching out on their own ecosystem, but they're helping support new ecosystems that will be bonded inside of the Decentraland metaverse. So these new play-to-earn games could be partnering or a part of the foundation of Decentraland as you get Mana and land leases. Now, the last thing I want to go into, and the thing you clicked on this video for, is the price and what we've seen recently in terms of price action. Now, obviously, our first run-up was this major move at the start of November to the end of October. We saw a massive rally of up to 500%, wicked up to nearly $4.90, and then saw a regression back down to nearly $2.40. So after this move, we saw a descending triangle starting to form, and we got some kind of flag here where we respected this downward trend line, but then we saw a breakout. However, we didn't really get a massive breakout. It was a move of around 15%, but we didn't close above support at $3. We tested we tested support, but we tested resistance at $3, and then we saw a regression back down to support at $2.50. So this $2.50 has been holding up really well. We've wicked it nearly 4 times here, and it's held every time, even closing above it, where we wicked down to nearly $2.20. So if Mana tests support at $2.50, I would say that is a really good opportunity to come back in for a late run-up. But recently we've got a bigger move, currently up to $3.60, where we wicked to nearly $3.80, and we're respecting this upward trend line. So what's next for Mana, and what do I think is going to happen? Well, there is a couple of options and a couple of things that are possibilities at the moment. The first one I would say is the support that we have at $3.50. Now, we've seen it here. this actually acted as a zone of resistance, but we never got a close above it here. And in this move here, we actually got a close nearly above it, but this current 4-hour candle is red. But we would like to see a full candle close above this $3.50 sign, $3.50 zone. Now that would be a really good sign for Mana, because it would support the next move towards $4 and then $5 a lot. So what I would say is looking for this close. Now, if we don't get this close, a move down to back at support at $3 is very likely. And I don't think that Mana's sustained run will continue. Now, the reasoning for that is because this hype around Mana was mainly thanks to the Facebook's name change, and obviously hype and demand can come and go very quickly. The quicker it comes, the quicker it goes, as they say. So don't be surprised if Mana actually breaks down from this $2.50 zone. I would just be careful with trading Mana right now, because it's really hard to predict what's going to happen. We could get some announcement that Facebook is partnering with Mana, but I would doubt that would happen right now. Also, something I'm seeing on the 4-hour is a possible double top as we got a close here. We could see something like this form and then see a move down here back to support at $2.50. But I would say the likely case right now is testing $3. Now, if we close support, as I said here, and we use this $3.50 as a new support, then a push up to $4 will happen. However, if we don't close above it right here, testing $3 is just what's going to happen. And we would break this upward trend line as well, so it would be a good place to see if we test and hold at $3. But as I said before, Mana is really difficult to predict at the moment, as there is a huge amount of volume, so things can change very quickly, and it's not really listening to Bitcoin. In fact, it's doing mostly the opposite. But that was just a quick video on Decentraland and Mana. If you guys want to check out any other cryptos, let me know down below. But I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.